2, 1, launch.
We're here today for the unveiling of our newest structure for the Lone Star UAS Center here in Flour Bluff.
The reason that we're so excited is this opens up an opportunity for us to do things that we weren't able to do before. And whether that was in the area of research or testing or looking at new ideas, but also the ability to provide outreach to our local community so that this becomes a capability and a resource that everybody can use.
So as the Regional Economic Development Organization, we see the center as valuable to economic development, especially the fact that to technology jobs and technology companies. We've been working with the center for about 4 years and looking at companies that may want to partner with the center. And we're currently actually working on a few companies that may look at Corpus for a potential location.
Now it's going to save a lot of time, and it's going to really enable our students to have something that many bigger schools don't have.
So the impact that this has for our Islander students is bringing that classroom environment, grabbing what they learn from that classroom and applying it here.
I am so excited to see what innovative ideas our students come up with when it comes to utilizing this facility.